welcome back to Home Economics with Amy. Today I'm going to teach you how to do your own laundry. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is sort our laundry. Now you might just wonder, why can't we just throw it in the washer? Who cares? Well, let's say you have a wonderful, beautiful white shirt that's like your favorite and you mix it in with the dark colors. Well, it's soon going to be your beautiful favorite gray shirt. So what I like to do is make piles. So we have colors, towels, colors. Okay, now that I've separated my laundry into towels, darks, and colors, I don't have any whites today, but who knows, maybe next time. So, let's start with the towels. So as I fill this, I'm going to make sure the clothes are evenly spread out around the washer, around the agitator, to make sure that it gets an even clean, and when it spins, it's not lopsided. See where my agitator head is? About right above where the last agitator comes up. That is about a full load. So that should be good for our first load. Okay, now that we've got our clothes loaded, we need to add our detergent. And ours has a little compartment where we have the softener, the detergent, and the OxiClean or bleach can go. Here's my laundry detergent, and it comes with a lid. I like to do small and medium loads to right here, and large loads up to the top right here. So let's just fill that up. We're going to put it in the little compartment. Sometimes I like to take a little towel and just wipe the detergent out so it's not sticky. It's going to get clean anyways. Now, because it's towels and towels have been on people's bodies, in the kitchen, anywhere cleaning things, I like to use a laundry sanitizer that has zero bleach. It kills any germs that are on it. So I like to fill the cap up. Now you can put it with the OxiClean, but I just like to put it in. There you go. That's for the detergent. Now that we got our detergent and laundry sanitizer in, let's start the washer. We're going to press the start button. It's on colors. You can do normal as well. I just like to do colors. Temperature, because it's towels, I either want it between warm and hot or hot because I'm trying to sanitize. Soil level, it's not bedding, so I just do it a little above medium. Spin speed, a little above medium as well, and I want a deep fill to keep it so that it gets clean. Now that all that looks good, I'm going to press start. It's going to sense the laundry. See how it's sensing? And then, when it's ready, the lid will lock, and there you go. You just did your first load of laundry. Now see how it's spinning really easy? It's because I evenly put the clothes around. If I did not evenly put the clothes around, it would be off balance, and it would actually come up here. It would stop and give me an off balance sign. So that's why it's important to make sure you put your clothes in evenly around the agitator. Washer is done. Let's put it in the dryer. Large loads like these, I like to do it to highest at 60 minutes. Also, before I get started, I like to check my lint. Whew, it definitely needs changed. Okay guys, I've done my second load of laundry. It is done and ready to put away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today and can be independent and do your own laundry. See you next time.